Hey guys, today I'll be making chocolate strawberries. Look at that one. Torpedo. There should be a Hershey. Might be too short though. Oh, I'm a big kid now. Hold up. Should be a tinier bowl in here. Now, I'm just gonna use this tiny bowl. And I'm using a Hershey's bar, but you can use whatever chocolate you want. You wanna crack all of them up. All right, and then see, it got Hershey's. You wanna, and then after you get like all of it in, all of it cracked, get it nice and even in the bowl that did nothing. Let me throw this away. You wanna give it 30 seconds. All right, let it cook for 30 seconds. A mini spoon. You don't need a big spoon, you just need a mini spoon. And then, now you can grab this one with your hands. And then you just want to kind of stir it, kind of munch it up. Oh, dude, this is hot. Then you want to just kind of mix it. And yes, be careful. Do not burn your hands. Like the first one that you put it in for 30 seconds. And then you're done. And then you want to, for the second round, you want to put it on another 30 seconds. And then for another 30 seconds. And now you have to be careful because now it gets really hot. Want to bite? Nice. You guys already ate it all. What? Didn't even save any for me. It's fine because I get to eat all of these. Okay. So after you cooked it for a minute, 30 seconds between. Ow, that is so hot. Ready? Ooh. You wanna close your paper towel in there. Stir and then and look how good that looks. That looks so good. Oh, Jesus. So hot too. Now it's ready. That is so hot. Oh, that hurt. You take your strawberry and you just dip it. But you don't just want to dip it, you want to get it all over it until it looks something like this. Put it back right where, and then you're like, and then what I thought is when I put it in the refrigerator, it would take some off of the chocolate when I took it off. No, it takes the chocolate off of the plate with it. That made no sense. This is going to be so good. made some yesterday and they were so good. And do not tear off the green on the top because that's what you're gonna hold it by. Like to dip it in the chocolate. Then you have that. Alright, so then I have that. So now you wanna take your plate. And you wanna put it on an even spot. Like don't put it crooked or they're gonna roll everywhere. So I'm gonna put it right here. Like freeze for 1.5 hours.